everybody. This is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. We are here in Florence, Alabama, sitting in my dining room, and I got my beautiful granddaughter, Ava, and she is a pepperhead. And so she wanted to try some of these great Alabama hot sauce sauces. So what we have here, now pardon me, these bottles are open because we put them on our lunch today. What we've got here is we've got some Alabama Red, which is one of my favorite sauces that I produce. We've got our hottest current hot sauce, which is Ghost of Sloss Furnace. And then beside us, if she gets up the nerve, we have a jar of pickled, pure, super hot peppers, okay? Ava, say hello to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour some Alabama Red. Now, you ought to love this because this is made out of jalapeno peppers. There we go.
Smells spicy. Interesting flavor.
How is it?
Yummy.
Is it hot? Mild. All right. She's pretty tough because that isn't quite mild, folks. That's actually, we listed as hot, so she's pretty tough. Now she's going to try our hottest hot sauce, which is the Ghost of Sloss Furnace. Now this is a hot sauce whose base pepper is ghost peppers. So, you hold a spoon, I'll pour it in. This one might have her running for the hills.
You wish.
We'll find out. All right, try that. How's it smell?
It smells spicy.
It smells.
Got a nice tang to it.
It does? Is it hot?
It is pretty hot.
It is pretty hot.
Not bad though.
Well.
Got a nice bite to it.
You feel like ramping it up a little bit?
Sure.
All right, folks. I normally ferment all my peppers, but on the super hot peppers, I pickle them. Now, this particular jar of peppers is yellow Scotch bonnets. Scotch bonnets are known for being pretty darn hot. These are probably 500,000 Scoville units. I mean, this is a hot pepper. And they are pickled in lactic acid vinegar that I made in our Alabama hot sauce kitchen. So, what Miss Ava's going to do
Let's eat it.
is eat it. Like she said, she's going to take a fresh, full Scotch Bonnet Pepper. Now, I'll tell you something. Most of you folks out there are not willing to do this. But this little 13-year-old young lady is a pepperhead, and let's see how she does. Are you ready?
Oh, she is ready.
How's that smell?
Not as strong as.
It's not over yet, honey.
Oh, joy.
What do you think, folks? Look at the people.
God. That's hard to swallow.
How is that?
Spicy.
How spicy?
A bit spicier than that. Definitely burns.
A bit spicier than this blended sauce. Folks, that was not a bit spicier. This is a tough young lady. Do you need a drink of milk?
Yes. Definitely burns.
Definitely burns.
And it's stuck in my braces.
Oh, this is the gift that keeps on giving if it's stuck in your braces. All right, folks. Here we have Miss Ava Friesland. She tried our, what I think is hot sauce. She tried our hottest hot sauce. And then she tried a whole pickled Scotch Bonnet Pepper. There's nothing else in there. It's not diluted with anything. That's the real deal.
My lips burn.
Your lips burn. Her lips are a little bit hot. Well, folks, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this. And once again, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce, alabamahotsauce.com on the web. And we'll see you next time. Hey, folks, this is Phil with Alabama Hot Sauce back at you. I just want to let you know that once we turned off the camera, that's probably the good part. Once we turned off the camera, Miss Ava says the burn really hit her. So there she is eating a spoonful of sugar.
Oh.
A spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down. There she was eating a spoonful of sugar. I think if we had it to do over again, if we'd have waited about 2 more minutes, her reaction would have been a little bit hotter. Anyway, once again, Phil and Ava, Alabama Hot Sauce. See you next time.
Want some more milk?
Yes.